Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating or adding a comment to a YouTube video. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is make sure you're signed into YouTube and Google up in the top right. So make sure you have your little user icon up there. Otherwise, you can't comment. You want to go under the YouTube video and where it says add a comment, go ahead and type in a comment. And then you can go ahead and select the comment button. And then it should appear in the comment section. Some comments may take some time to show up depending on YouTube. Some of them might take a couple minutes for it to become visible. If there's certain keywords in your comment that might be filtered out by the channel owner, you may have an issue that your comment is shadow banned. So just keep that in mind. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.